Hey there, this is Sean Donahoe. It's great to see you here today, and I want to ask you a very serious question. How are your conversions? Now, here's the thing. You can have all of the traffic in the world. If you're not converting it, then all that traffic is wasted. And you know as well as I do, you need leads, you need button clickers, you've got your own products, your services, affiliate products, whatever you want to get people to click on, to act on, you need those conversions. Well, you're in the right place here today at the right time, because I'm about to show you a very powerful plugin called Stakk that is going to transform your WordPress site into a conversions monster. Now, this plugin was created by my good friends Bobby Walker and Sam Finlay, who've asked me to tell you a little bit about it and show you exactly what it does under the hood. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's one of the best all-in-one systems out there for conversions. You can build leads, create surveys, you can do popovers, pop-unders, exits, and the thing is, it's like nothing else out there. A lot of the pop-up plugins out there right now, honestly, they're not that great. They're actually missing the boat on many of the key factors that get conversions. Well, these guys have literally gone back to the drawing board, literally figured out what works, what doesn't, and they've created this all-encompassing high-power system that we're going to show you right now. So let's take a look. Okay, so let's take a look at what Stakk can actually do and how it can turn your site into a conversions monster. Now, I've got several tabs open here and we'll go through them real quick because I want to show you just some of the stuff that you can do with your pages, with your site, and how you can skyrocket your conversions. Now, you can see here we've got a nice timer, very simple timer, call to action for your product that you're giving away. Maybe you're giving away cheat sheets or an ebook or report or something like that. Very simple, but you can see we've got this beautiful HD video background. Now, I'm running this right now, but let me actually just escape out of it. You can see your pages right there underneath. No reloading, no preloading, no redirection. And the cool thing is that's an overlay style, but you can do pop-ups, you can do exit style, you can do all sorts of different things. It's really the most powerful conversion system available for WordPress. That's why I love this, and that's why I'm helping Bobby and showing you guys what this can do, because I think there's so much potential here. So let's do another one here real quick. Similar style. Again, you'll see the nice animation sliding in, getting your attention, grabbing the eyeballs, and again, HD video. This is from YouTube, and you can use all sorts of video sources or static images, which is great. So click the close button there, and you get your pages underneath. So you can have this on your home page, you can have this on a call to action page. You can literally turn every page on your website into a conversion magnet, and that's really, really very important. And it's not just for opt-ins. You can use it for surveys, you can do just straight offers, whatever you want to do. In fact, this is Joey Zotto. You'll see his testimonial below us here, below this video. And he raves about this, saying it's the go-to plugin for pop-ups and conversions. And it's a very, very good, he raises some great points. So I encourage you to check out the testimonials below here as well. But again, you can see you can have your opt-in, you can connect to all the main autoresponders, Aweber, GetResponse, etc., even Rapid Mailer, which is my autoresponder that you can have for WordPress. And we'll talk about more of that later as you go through the checkout process, because we have a special offer there for that. But again, you can see very, very powerful and yet very simple. This is again another video background, and I love video backgrounds. I think that they can really help you with your conversions. But again, you don't have to use that. You can use anything you like. So let's take a look at an image version, an HD image overlay, and you can see, boom, straight there. Wrap your video in there. You can see it's a YouTube video, and again, just a beautiful HD image, fully responsive, works on mobile and all devices. And that's just absolutely fantastic. You can have your little promotional video there if you want to, make it whatever you want, and off you go. Let's take another look at another video background. I seem to be focusing on the video ones. But again, simple animation style. You can actually, this is great for CPA offers, because you can use this to promote your own products. You can use this to promote your services, affiliate products. I would use a CPA version, for example, a survey with a CPA offer. I love promoting other people's products through all my different niche sites, and as you guys know, I've got a seven-figure empire. I use this style of marketing all the time, and it converts, it works. That's great. So the fact that you don't have to stick with opt-ins, you can use surveys, you can use all sorts of other engagement elements here that will help your customers get to where you want them to get to, which means more conversions for you, more profits on your bottom line. That is awesome. So again, we'll just close out of that. Let's have a look at this. See how engaging is that? That kind of smooth animation popping up from the bottom. If you want to get someone's eyeballs, that's the way to do it. You want to put your offer right in front of your customer and say, hey, check this out. Now, I've been using this on my website and it's skyrocketed. I mean, I'm already having a 50% lift in conversions for some of the lead generation I do on some of my top websites. So yes, absolutely, this is amazing. It's verified, and oh man, I have seen some great conversions. I'm going to use this on all of my websites. But again, here's another animation style, HD background, HD image, and you can see simple calls to action, boom, done. Let's have a look at one more. And actually, I think we've got two more examples. And literally the combinations are unlimited, and you can see again another HD image. Mark Thompson, who's endorsing this product, his testimonial is below here as well. And again, I don't think you could do any better than this. I mean, it's just literally grabs your eyeballs and off you go. One more, and then I want to show you actually how simple it is to create them. I want to show you the results. So again, same background, same video, but you can see just with a couple of quick clicks, you've got a beautiful transparent image over the video background. Your call to action, get started now. I mean, I'm using this to give away cheat sheets and ebooks and stuff like that, pumping traffic to it from Facebook. And it's absolutely amazing the conversions I'm getting just because of this. So let's actually take a look at the dashboard and see how easy it is. Now you can see here we've got several that we've already set up. Some of the samples and examples that you've already seen in this video so far. But I just want to actually go and I'm going to duplicate one. So we'll take this video plus opt-in. And again, you can either create new, and go through the tutorials, contact support, so you can see everything you've got going on here. And then you can actually see all the analytics. You can preview, you can turn your campaign on or off. And the cool thing I like is you can actually duplicate an existing one. Now, one thing I do, I like to, if I get really great success with one particular offer, then I might duplicate it and try and improve upon it to increase my conversions. It's just a little tip there. So I'm going to take this one, I'm going to duplicate it real quick. So you can see it's up here. Now I'm going to go edit it. And I'll give it a name, we'll call it Sean Test. And I can decide what style I like. I want to run you through this. You can decide what style and template, so opt-in, media, survey, offer, etc., etc. I'm going to leave it with the media, opt-in, and timer. And that's cool. It shows you kind of a preview of the layout. You can choose where you want to target and everything else. I'm just going to leave it as is. Set your trigger action. Is it timed? Is it when they click away, which is really cool, so if they go away from the page, whether they scroll a certain percentage down your page, then you show it. Then you can do timed and combinations thereof. Very, very powerful. You can choose your animation, bounce in, fade in, slide in. There's lots and lots of options. I'm only skimming the surface. You can choose the media you want for the background. If you want to do a background video, pixeling from YouTube, you can loop the video and mute the video, which is very cool. And then you do things like your confirm opt-in page or redirect to a different page. So that's very, very powerful. You see how quick this is. They've made it simple. They've made it for marketers, not geeks. Now, admittedly, I'm a geek, but I love the simplicity. I don't want to have to worry about code and all the other kind of micro stuff that some of these pop-up plugins have that make you just want to tear your hair out. I love simplicity. We want you to get up and running with this in minutes and be converting almost immediately. That's why it's built this way. It's simple. So let's come over to the opt-ins. Again, you can see here, and you can use your own opt-in form code. So if you want to copy and paste, say, from one of your autoresponders or rapid mailer codes, you pop it right in there, boom, and it processes it. And you can do an opt-in preview, so I'm going to do that. You can include also with these fields, it connects up to all the popular autoresponders that have API integration, and you can play around with that. So then you connect, select your list and everything else. You can change all the color elements to whatever you want. So for example, the heading text right now is selected, that's this, and then you can see it's white. So there's a heading text. You can change, for example, the button text says get stacked. I could have get instant access. You can see it updates your preview in real time, so you can literally be rocking and rolling very, very quickly. So there you go. We'll just leave it at that for now. You can see that's very, very powerful. And then the media, you can put in whether you want an image or a video. You can see you can put your video code in here. You can change all the text on the elements that are available. It just keeps it simple. The other cool thing is you can set to autoplay, no controls, force HD if you want to. That's very powerful. You can also add a timer. Like I say, all these elements you can turn on or off based on your style, and you can show the timer, whether you want to include basically a close button, if you want to include the month and the year. Now this is a really cool feature, user aware. So when they first come to the page, it counts down from their entry. So it shows, for example, if I set it to 3 days and you came in tomorrow, it showed 3 days. But then again, if you came back the day after, it showed 2 days. Now if Fred comes to the page, when it shows you 2 days, it'll show him 3 days because he's a brand new user. It's giving him 72 hours. Whatever you want to do, it's very, very easy. And again, each element is individually editable, and you can set whatever you want so it matches the style and color of your site. Now if you have a survey, for example, you can go in here, change everything you want to. Again, very, very similar. You can have your questions and add your questions. What's the choice best plugin ever? There's question 1. So you can have multiple question sets, and that goes through it then. It asks different questions, again increasing engagement until you get to the end. Beautiful system. I love using that with CPA offers, by the way. And then again, you've got your straight offer. Nice little pop-up box telling you the features, benefits of whatever you're doing. Get instant access. So you can just come in here, say for example CTA button. I'll change that to get instant access if I was using this. And then let's just say Stakk is the best plugin ever. Let's do feature 2, 5-in-1 conversion system. Let's see, skyrocket your site's profits. So you can see very quickly, easily editable, everything's previewed in real time. You click Save Changes, and you're all ready to go. How simple is that? Now you can see this is an amazing, amazing system. So versatile, so flexible. It really should be part of your marketing arsenal. Now here's the cool thing. It's not just an opt-in system. It's a conversion system. It has many triggers, many ways that you can target your audience. You can engage your audience. You can get them engaged with your products, your services, whatever your back-end funnel is. It's literally, it can be used for anything, any type of conversion that you want. And it's so simple to use. That's the beautiful thing. Designed for marketers, doesn't matter what level of experience you have in marketing, you can get to grips with this and be up and running in moments. Now, again, you'll see a button below me right now. You can see how powerful this is. I really encourage you to grab this with both hands while this opportunity is available. Bobby and Sam have done an amazing, amazing job with this. I'm going to be using this on all of my websites. I really encourage you to start using it right now. So click on that button, select the package that's best for you, and grab this right now. I really think that you're going to absolutely love it. I know you're going to enjoy this, and we'll see you in the training area in just a few moments.